Today we're gonna speak about business law presentation about the case of Caltex Australia Private Limited versus the Dredge Williamstead 1976 HCA, or simply we can say Caltex versus Dredge, is one of the such cases where the defendant was held liable to have a duty of care regarding not causing an economic loss to the plaintiff, especially when the property is not owned by the plaintiff. So the same is provided by in such cases where the plaintiff had been directly affected as a result of carelessness of the defendant which held to the property being damaged. This was a significant case in the history of Australia as this case was the first in the nation where the exception was brought to the recovery of a pure economic losses as per this case in cases where the loss were reasonable foreseeable due to given circumstances and still owing the contravention of obligation of care. The following parts present the fact of case, the argument made by the plaintiff, and the judgment of the court to provide also a summary of the entire case. First we talk about the fact of the case. Caltex Oil Private Limited, that is Caltex, and Australian Oil Refining Limited AOR were two parties among which his processing agreement had been drawn, which dedicated the delivery of refined crude oil of AOR to the refinery to the company, which was located on the Botany Bay southern shore, and his delivery was carried out by Caltex. And once the process was done, the refined product was sent back to the oil terminal to the Caltex, which was located at the Botany Bay northern shore, through the use of pipeline which was located under the bay. The owner of this pipeline was AOR. Caltex had ownership of the different from an oil and came from the pipeline as per terms of agreement, and this was responsibility of the AORA to ensure no loss or damage was caused to Canada. In this particular matter, the feeder line was carried by electricity power to the hotel and the same was broken negligently. Plaintiff argued the court to consider the statement made by Morrison Stepship Coal Limited versus Greystock Castle Cargo Owners 1947. As per this statement, the sphere of duty of care under the fault of negligence depend upon the assessment of court in the society demand for protection from the others' carelessness. Now we talk about the decision that make of the case. An unanimous decision was given by the judges and claim to the plaintiff were upheld. Further, the plaintiff was awarded damages for the pure economic loss sustained arising from negligence of the defendant. The rationale behind awarding this judgment was reasonable. Foreseeability of the loss which was clearly present in this case. They held that when the defendant had knowledge that loss, whether purely economic or physical, can take place due to work being undertaken by them, care had taken to not result in such loss, and if the same take place, the individual has to held liable of negligence. Ward 2010. This allowed a duty of care to be owned on the part of a defendant toward Caltex, and that defendant had reasonably appeared the probability of plaintiffs a loss in case breakage of pipes, holding the breach of duty of care, defendant owing their knowledge and decision in favor of the plaintiffs was given by the court in 2007. And at the end, let's talk about conclusion. The key issue which was decided by the High Court in this matter was whether plaintiff was on the duty of care on part of defendant was for avoiding such suffering which could translate into a pure economic loss. In such a case where a plaintiff was not owner of the pipeline but merely a third party. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of plaintiffs and upheld the duty of care on the part of the defendant. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.